We don't want Chinamen in Canada. This is a white man's country, and white men will keep it so.
The people of Canada do not wish to make a fundamental alteration in the character of our population. Large-scale immigration from the Orient would change the fundamental composition of the Canadian population.
You know, when you listen to history, it's his story. He's telling us what he wants us to know. It's his story, it's not our story.
咁我哋呢個議題咧真係好有爭議性，咁就多謝 Gabriel 佢話喂 Peter 你即係喺個咪前邊喺電視前面同政府 apologize 兩隻話唔需要嘅，喺加拿大言論自由啊，同埋你話我咁做法會唔會即係政府話喂你唔支持我咁話唔係㗎，因為加拿大係一個民主嘅社會嚟㗎。咁I want to say so what can we do in future? So what you anticipate in within the 2 years, 5 years, and what you're looking for the refund beside the refund? And I hope Peter, Gabriel, and Robin, and Rennis, of course. Well, hope you all make your statement. Peter. 綠黨。
This is the same issue I had before. That just the timing of this. You know, it's been an issue for a long time. You know, it just seems to me, okay, personally, it just seems that the Liberal government is just bringing this up to the forefront and building a media case out of it just before election. So that is just something that I see personally. But as far as, you know, the head tax, the justice behind it, and, you know, all those are fine. I have nothing against that. And I think that, you know, we do need to fight, and we do need to just, what we're doing it right now, just talk about it and think about things that we need to do in the future for our younger generation.
我講好多啦，不如Robin 同埋
我啊
，Rennis 講先啦，俾佢講先啦佢。
咁啊，梗係我文先啦，排
你先，你講。
我講啊，
講啦。
我講完之後，或者你唔想講，
我真係諗住
真係啦嘛。
俾曬你。
OK，因為我啊膽大妄為嘅嗰一個嚟嘅嚇。其實我覺得咁，因為我對呢個就 head tax 嘅 issue， 其實我今日我都好多謝有咁嘅機會。因為 I think for the opportunity because I 有關於呢個 tax 呢個 head tax 嘅 issue 咧，其實我知道嘅非常之少，所以但係今日我都學得好快。
你老華僑嚟喎你？
老華僑，我有時
天是老華僑 as well。
每一個人個牽涉嗰個圈子唔同啊。
OK，
係咪先？即係喺或者我以前覺得係未曾係唔係一個 issue 嘅，而家發覺well it is an issue. You know, it's an issue that which I like to for all I can， 我要希望能夠做少少嘢，但係在我未完全清楚呢件事之前，我點樣做，亦都係好重要嘅。但係我相信咧，阿Sid正話所講嘅説話咧，絕對係有代表性，因為我記得佢講我如果 correct me if I'm wrong, you have been working on this for past 30 years. Yes。咁我相信阿Sid嘅講法係有絕對喺某個程度係有佢可以成立嘅道理喺處，因為我聽你哋各位你哋個opinion好似個個都有少少唔多唔少，嗱唔好介意我講啊，有少少避嘅，係嘛？好似係 try to avoid the issue somewhat， 係咪佢哋即係你冇辦法 convince 到佢哋覺得你個 issue 係 that's the only way to go 咧？或者係你會唔會太 stubborn？ 就係話 well this is the only way that I'm gonna take it. Okay, there's no other options.This is the only way that will make any sense to us on the group, on behalf of the group that I'm representing. Now, whether that is the case， 係咪咁嘅事咧？咁我唔知，但我只能夠話，我希望大家能夠將再開心見誠，去有一個機會俾，無論係俾政府又好，政府其實就唔 deserve 咁多 opportunity， 因為佢哋已經好多 opportunity。咁大家係咪應該再上深一層，或者 Sid， 你會唔會 consider 就係？因為我哋其實就唔抵幫呢個 level 去話幫佢去諗下嗰個點樣去 apologize， 我覺得呢樣嘢好兒戲。點解我要幫你諗啫？我諗咗出嚟之後，係咪表示有一日你話我唔認同啊？呢個想法唔係我講嘅 ，it's not my suggestion，I mean wasn't my wording to begin with。咁我覺得，
我想問Gabriel 啊 ，Gabriel， 即係個程序啊嚇，你譬如香港或者邊度立法嘅程序，咁如果 Liberal 呢度佢哋話要 apologize，咁需唔需要經過你哋嗰個即係議會去 vote 你先去做？
呢個會係喺議會度做嘅，咁執政嘅人當然係可以即係決定幾時提出嚟，幾時做同埋點樣寫法，咁就其他政黨就可以有個選擇係去同意或者唔同意咯。
佢而家只不過收集意見啫嘛，即係你可以點講個問題出嚟係點樣樣。係，其實係由佢哋決定。
咁但係我哋而家仲有機會去起間屋出嚟嘅喎，而家仲有嘅喎。
你起
而家佢冇話起間屋啊！喂，你要佢起間屋啫嘛，
佢就唔想起啊嘛。
你起嚟起去，佢都係即係口頭上嘅道歉啫嘛，或者文字上嘅道歉啫嘛。
咁但係我哋啲僑社佢哋話，即係喺教育 reset you know the Chinese associate they said put in education and all that, but who's fund that？ 嚇，is the government will fund that issue or Chinese？
我覺得咁啊，嗱，你唔好介意，今次我要搶翻個咪轉頭。
你講，你搶。
即係我要搶翻個咪轉頭，因為我覺得咧，其實阿 Sid 今日講有一樣嘢咧，就係好啱㗎，因為佢
講英文俾佢聽啊，佢開心啲。
OK， 我
agree to you. OK，
this is what I do believe. What the conclusion, you know, according to what Sid mentioned earlier, was that he had already in the past 30 years he exhausted himself.
No,
trying
I
to
didn't say that. I didn't say that. I just said I've been working on this
You've
for
been
30
working on
years,
it.
prepared to go another 30 years, and walk through the gates of hell to get closure.
Granted, yes, but then you took it to the justice system, and that was not too well received.
On a charter challenge.
Yeah, on a charter challenge. Oh, now then, and that was a political issue, and then you actually did mention earlier that it would be a matter of tax refund. Am I correct?
The positioning of it is that this was taken from head tax families and it should be refunded.
So I think in that case, I agree with you. I think that matter should be addressed going to the tax department. Okay? So I mean, as far as that, yes, that's where I rest my case.
OK，
但係嗱，呢個就我自己感覺啊。OK，refund 同 compensation 嘅分別喺邊度咧？refund 唔係話等於佢做呢樣嘢，又翻返嗰句説話，公義定唔公義嗰樣嘢，即係唔關事嘅，只不過係行政上邊係做錯咗，所以俾翻錢你，唔係等於話佢咁做係有錯。啱唔啱啊？compensation 咧
係唔應該收你嘅錢，
即係係咯，唔係佢做錯啊嘛，佢咁即係要加埋做錯嘢啲嘢 GST 嗰樣嘢啫嘛。refund 你搞錯咪 refund 即係你買樣嘢唔啱，你攞翻嚟俾我啊，我俾緊錢你啦咁。咁呢個唔係等於一個賠償，唔係等於一個道歉。咁嗱，當一個社群佢去做呢樣嘢，純粹只係為咗去做攞個 refund 嘅時候，即係喺好多出邊人嘅睇法，你只不過為自己爭取你自己嘅利益啫嘛。即係你同成個即係華人社團呢個所謂要追求即係政府嘅矯正佢以前做嘅嘢，向前點樣要做，係根本唔拉家㗎。你唔拉家嘅時候，咁點解你會諗得到其他出邊嗰啲社群會真係支持佢哋咧？
但係有一樣嘢喎，佢已經試過晒全部個 sources 喎。
我明白。
You have exhausted。
其實我想講一樣嘢咧，就係話
公道咗協賠咗償㗎啦。
即係我亦都想講一樣嘢，就話我希望咧就唔好因為呢件事，就算唔向前行一步，都唔好向後褪3步，仲要係自己
打自己困惱。
即係其實而家我哋睇，因為點解嗱？我自己經歷過一樣嘢就係以前曾經一班華僑咧係將佢哋嘅錢啊拎翻去支持中國革命嘅。咁革命之後咧，嗰筆錢留喺度咧，真係嘅呢個真事，因為我有 involve 到。嗰筆錢咧就留咗喺上海，就起咗一個祠堂，係俾啲華僑去，同埋作為一個紀念。但係居然喺文革時期咧，就俾中國政府咧
夾咗，就
唔知點樣擺咗個烏龍，就將佢賣咗佢。OK， 咁呢單嘢咧，我哋就追咗好耐嘅，但係結果都追唔晒。點解？因為三藩市又話要做代表，紐約又要做代表，於是乎啱啦，你哋拗啦，你拗掂佢先得啦。其實到最後都係我哋真係能夠坐低一齊。大家好，我哋都有個共識都要咁做咧，結果賠咗錢，賠咗錢呢件事賠錢。但係個問題就話，其實你講得啱㗎，係政府長冇等你嚟喺度嘈喧巴閉，我掟樣嘢出嚟啊！你班就真，你又點道歉啊？咁你班友仔就係呢樣嘢。
So Peter, you have any other opinion?
Sid was saying about that the justice represent more than just the injustice towards Chinese. It's everybody else that is not white. So that's what he was saying. So this is a representation. 呢個佢頭先話呢個代表，佢哋攞呢個想攞翻個 refund 係一個代表嚟去
symbolic
嚇。It symbolizes the injustice that was done before, and it may opens up other discriminations that has always been going on. So others would think about all these things that has been discriminated. And frankly, personally, I think there's so much discrimination that the media and the rest of the mainstream has been not talking about that needs to be brought forward. And this could be a start of something that brings these real issues forward.
Okay, so Sid, we have a couple of issues, the head tax issues and the refund issues and apologies and reconciliation. So what can we do? How can we proceed? And then, okay, and how can we let this message to the mainstream know, and also the Chinese and everyone, then can we do something? And also I asked Gabriel, in the government, the parliament, can we do anything? And can we issue a constitution or whatever? So let's do something, or just wait for another election.
Well, it's not about a quick fix.
Okay.
This is stuff that greater minds than mine have struggled over for the last 20, 30 years. So if I had an answer for you, I would give it to you, right?
Yeah.
This is an issue of organizing. This is an issue of perseverance. This is an issue of endurance. This is what the government has set up for us, because they're going to wait until the affected seniors that were an exclusion, the ones that are 80, 90. I want to tell you a couple of things. One of them that's really important is when Harper said that he was going to do something, one of our seniors who was 99 years old, Charlie Kwan, came out of the woodwork and took leadership of the movement for a couple of years. I want to tell you that now with this apology, the granddaughter of our president, Mrs. Su Chan-chen, she is 22 years old. She is the president of the University of British Columbia Student Society. She has decided to come out and take the lead and help her grandma because she had never heard her grandma's story until a year ago when her grandma became president of Head Tax Families. I can tell you one thing when I say that, we've exhausted. We're far from exhausted. We're growing. We're getting stronger. The Head Tax Families are less, but descendants of Head Tax Families like Carolyn Wong, the granddaughter of our president, and her friends, they're coming on side. You will see them in Richmond. We're going to another generation. In fact, it's really interesting. I was the past president. We are perhaps the only society in Canada that dare have the guts to pass the torch from a younger generation to an older generation, right? We've gone from me, I'm 64, and we've given it to Mrs. Soon. She's 83, and she's taking it on in the Chinese media. We've never really had that.
So may I ask is if according to a balance of power, the whole Canadian in our province is, let's say 2 million people, and then yours is just 700. Now how can you arouse everyone to support you? And do you have your stand to support? And then what is your next step? And then maybe you talk to the audience and then hope the audience listen. And then I'll leave it for the audience to make its own judgment. And then I personally, North Star Web TV open to anyone to give their opinion. And this is our email address. And I agree to Gabriel. I agree to you. I don't mean to offend Sita because I try to be neutral. So can you say some yeah?
I will say that at least with regards to the BC apology for historic wrongs against Chinese British Columbias, the fact that they have a no financial considerations framework for the apology is immediately arrogant and dismissive. I say this just based on one simple line. If the government takes $1 from my family or me unjustly and says sorry, does that mean they don't have to give me the dollar back? Because for my family, it's an issue of justice and honor. You know, the dollar, should I get it back, I'll probably donate. I'll give it away. I don't really need the money. It's the matter of principle that something was taken from us should be given back.
So that means that $9 million, you have the potential to donate it back to your community? Or?
I think the $9 million should be left to head tax and exclusion families to discuss what will be the legacy and educational efforts. Because, as I said earlier in the show, the best education, the best legacy is a just and honorable redress for pioneer Chinese families.
Gabriel has some.
我諗我同我開場講嘅説話都一樣啦，但係會再補充咧，就係話今次係一個歷史性嘅一個機會。咁我哋係應該討論咧，就係 BC 省嘅省政府同埋省議會過去200年所做對華人不公義嘅事情。我覺得個討論咧應該係集中呢一方面，人頭稅可能有少少，但唔應該係大多數係討論人頭稅咯。同埋如果你講緊話賠償上邊咧，如果你真係要講賠償咧，你諗下80幾條法律當時嘅省議會立咗係歧視華人嘅。如果真係所有嘅受害人都要出嚟同佢去爭取一個賠償或者係 refund 咧，咁個數字係點樣計法咧？咁我諗，但係最基本就係話，而家連當時做咗啲咩事，係有啲咩影響，似乎都冇乜點討論，冇俾人去講咯。咁就仍然集中喺一個即係本來係聯邦立法嘅人頭稅嘅事件裏邊咧，我覺得其實就好似呢個輕重係有少少唔係好平衡咯。
好啊，多謝 Gabriel 同埋thank you everyone to express their opinion。And I hope 大家如果係有意見嘅send 你嘅 message 嚟我哋 email 下邊，你睇到 email 嘅咁，thank you Sit Chan。I hope you will continue your progress and 多謝 Robin 多謝 Gabriel， 多謝 Peter。Okay, good. Yeah, thank you.
我哋唔應該影翻張相啊！
係啊，
唔同獎人啊嘛，
咁有光，每一場你都要影翻張啊嘛。
得，佢都會 send 咗啦咩？上次嗰張相嚟仲靚。
睇唔睇得到咁多個人？
應該。
你跟埋啲啦。
應該。
哦，原來錄嘅。
People should know the Winnipeg Free Press just came on our side this morning.
Oh yeah, I read that.
They said that they should return the $14 million to head tax families.
Oh,
the Winnipeg Free Press. Okay. Last line.
Oh, okay.
Read it.
Okay. Have you got a chance to send it?